Hi Rich, it's Bronwyn, or Win if you prefer, with Digital Energy. I made this short video to share some tricks so customers can find you online. You may be asking yourself why I'm doing this. First of all, I really wanted to help small businesses when I started my company. And secondly, a lot of times business owners don't have enough time to do the research and be able to do what I talk about. If at the end of this video you decide that you just want to take this information and do it yourself, I'm perfectly okay with that. However, if you see the value in what I'm talking about and want to have a conversation about your business and goals, I would love to help you achieve them. The only thing I ask of you is that you please provide me some feedback on this video. Now, your time is important and so is mine, so let's get on with your free video. So here's your website. I am really happy that you took the steps to go ahead and make your own website. It looks really good. It's very simple. So if you want to be found on Google, though, because right now your website is just a online business card, there's some things that need to happen in order for your customers to find you. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. To Google, content is king. That's why with Wikipedia and all the directories and things, those are normally first on Google, because the more content you have and backlinks, which we're going to talk about in a few minutes, Google really thinks of you more as an authoritative person on Google. So let's talk about the content. Google really likes you to have anywhere from 1,500 or more words of content. Right now you have 85. So this is SEOquake. It is a free tool that I use, at least for this. And so that's how you can tell. There's also things like word counters and things. If you want to write your own content, they'll be able to show you how many words of content that you have. So let's go and look at another tool that I use. This is Arifs. It's a great tool. It tells me a whole lot about websites. So this is one way that I know that you're not being found on Google, because Arifs has no data on you. Let's go ahead and go look at someone else's website. I just put in general contractors for Flint, Michigan. This is the Google My Business, which we're going to talk about and how to get found on that. And so we're going to go ahead and go down, and the first one that comes up is RL White Construction. Now I went ahead and pulled up their numbers, and we're going to show you that in just one moment. Let's go ahead and look at their website though. Now you can see that they have all their different services listed. They have lots of content on here. I can tell that their website was probably professionally designed. There's a contact page, okay, or contact form. Let's go look at the rest of their numbers. So actually, they're going to be really easy to beat for general contractors, Flint, Michigan, because these numbers really aren't bad at all. So I'm really happy to see that. I don't think it would take us very much time at all to get the first page of Google for this search term. So the UR is their home page and their trust with Google, and then the DR is their entire website. So they have 304 backlinks from 31 different websites. So all a backlink is where there is an authoritative site. The less spammy, the better. Arifs also tells me what their ratings are for Google, for the trust that they get, and whether or not you're going to have a do follow or back follow or no follow link. So it's just a link on their website pointing to your website that hopefully transfers power from them to you, which makes you more authoritative with Google. So let's go ahead and look at the keywords that they have. I think that it would be really easy to get you ranking for quite a few different search terms. So let's go ahead and look. We have Flint Construction that has 250 searches a month, and it only has a keyword difficulty of 4, which means there's not a lot of good competition to get that keyword. Let me see here. I saw another one that was really great. Construction companies in Michigan. That's a 600 search volume with only a 6 keyword difficulty. And then same thing with construction companies in Michigan. That one would probably take around 6 months to get. But I mean, imagine if you just got 10% of what I just showed you. It's probably around 1,000 from what I just showed you. So if you got 10% of that, that would be over 100 searches a month that would bring up your company, which I think is absolutely amazing. The last thing that we're going to go ahead and talk about is the GMB and citations. So all a citation is a name, address, and phone number across different directories, Facebook, Instagram, things like that. And that's what really gets you ranking here on the GMB. You also want to have more reviews, you want to have more pictures, and the GMB is a great way to get ranking on Google. It's easier, it takes less time than the other ways, than getting found organically on Google. So we can definitely talk about that if you would like. So I just want to go over what we talked about today. First of all, I'm Wynn Baxter, and my phone number is 865-740-6676 if you would like to reach out and have a call, or we can connect on Zoom with Facebook, something like that. So you need to have 1,500 to 3,000 words of content on your homepage and 700 to 1,200 on your back pages. I would like to see you break down all your services into separate back pages because, of course, the bigger your website is, the more easily you're going to get found on Google. Within that content, you need to have strategically placed location-specific keywords that people are actually searching for. And then you need to have the backlinks, links from trusted websites pointing to your website, and then citations with your name, address, and phone number in different directories and social media accounts. So thank you so much for taking the time to view this video. I would really appreciate your feedback, and if you have any questions, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much, Rich. Have a great day.